So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-transfer ng pera sa ShopeePay to Landbank Mobile Banking. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, go-open muna tayo ng ating ShopeePay account. So tap lang natin yung ShopeePay. And then after nyan guys, pumunta agad tayo dito sa mismong timeline or profile ng ating ShopeePay or yung tinatawag na Me. So tap nyo lang yung Me and automatic mapupunta tayo dito sa mismong profile ng ating ShopeePay. And then after nyan dito, pumunta naman tayo sa section ng My Wallet and hanapin nyo yung ShopeePay, then itap. So kung may balance guys yung inyong ShopeePay and gusto nyo siyang i-transfer sa ibang bank account or sa Landbank Mobile Banking, ang gagawin lang natin is itatap natin yung bank transfer. So dito kung hindi pa nakasave yung inyong account sa Landbank, ang gagawin nyo lang is itatap nyo yung Add New Bank Account. So dito ilalagay nyo lang yung information ng inyong bank, yung bank name, account number, yung full name ng inyong bank account. So sa akin kasi guys is nakasave na dito yung aking Landbank account. So ang gagawin ko na lang is pipiliin ko itong Landbank Mobile Banking. So ayan, nakasave na kasi siya dito sa aking ShopeePay. So after yung mapili or mailagay yung inyong bank account or bank information, ilalagay nyo na dito yung amount kung magkano yung gusto nyong i-transfer. So for example is ilalagay ko ay 500 pesos. So ito yung ita-transfer ko na pera and kung makikita nyo may admin fee siya na 15 pesos. So purpose naman is optional kahit hindi nyo na siya lagyan. So tap natin yung next kapag okay na kayo dun sa amount. And ito yung pinakang transaction ng ating pagta-transfer ng pera. So double check nyo yung receiver, bank name, account number, amount kung magkano yung ita-transfer, admin fee na 15 pesos. And ang total amount na madededuct sa ating ShopeePay is 515 pesos since nga na-less na din dito yung admin fee. So kapag okay na guys and na-double check nyo na yung information, itap na natin dito yung Send Money Now. So for security purposes, kailangan i-enter natin yung PIN ng ating ShopeePay. So enter PIN. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, successfully send na yung aking sinad na pera galing sa ShopeePay pamunta sa ating Landbank Mobile Banking. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.